This is for Year 12 methods. It's question 19 from the 2012 exam 2, and I'd like to demonstrate how to use judge to try and work out which of these satisfies these two conditions. So I've got sine of x. I'm going to define it. Okay. Now the first condition that it needs to be is that f of pi minus x. Now I'm going to choose pi on 6 as an example of an angle has to equal negative f of pi on 6. And to see if that is true or not true, I'm going to, if I press X here, I get no solution. But if I put catalogue, J for judge, there it is, input, and I close the bracket. When I press execute, it tells me false, that for this statement, the sine of x is always false. So I'm also going to do the second input judge, and I need f of this equals minus f. That's, I might pick up all of that. F of pi minus pi on 6 is minus pi on 6. So if I put that there, I get told it's true for the second one, but it's false for the first. So I'm looking for two trues. So it's not A. In the second one, cos of x. Press XE, true, true, I like B. I got a true statement for both of them. If I try the third one just to double check, but I'd be ticking B and moving on to the next question at this point in the exam. Tan is a true and a false, so it's not tan. Sine of x divided by 2. Again, both false, and tan of 2x. And I get a true for the first one, but a false for the second one. If you get undefined, undefined means it's neither true nor false. It's sometimes true and sometimes false. So in the use of judge, I'm looking for two trues. And if I go back to the answer that was correct, for cos of x, the first statement is true and the second statement is true. And I've chosen to use pi on 6 as an example of theta.